Take myself off the mic. Go ahead. You guys ready? What's going on? The balloon, yes. When the air pushes out of the balloon, it gives the rocket propulsion and pushes it. So yes. So the balloon moves from it losing air. That's okay. If it spins like a corkscrew, mine does that too. It spins around. And you know what's really interesting, and I think yours did, Kyle, yours has too. When you have really spins like a corkscrew. And the one I haven't tried is some people did their design with 3, and I want to try that and see how that to it. I really want to do this at Discovery Days, but we have a no latex policy, so I don't think we're going to be able to do it. Oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead. Grab the mic, Abby. Yay! You did it! Yay! That was great. Good job. It's not easy. Oh, PJ, yours worked? Let me see. Hold on. Let me put yours on, PJ. Good job, Ian. Everyone's doing a great job. PJ, I'll take myself off. Sorry. Do you want me to do the countdown, PJ? 3, 2, 1. One more. Wait. I see. Hold on. 3. Woo! That was great. Wait, she's doing it again. Oh, see? And that's because the more air you put into it, Mrs. McGuckin, right? The further it went. Don't you think? I thought that was great. Good job. Let's see if you blow it up really. Pop it. Yeah, each time it went further. I think that's great. That was good. That was good teamwork too. Very nicely done. All right. Kyle, how you doing over there? You done? Kyle, I thought yours went great. And you know what was interesting about yours? Yours was a great comparison. You did have those small water balloons. So I think that the moral here, or the lesson learned here, is that yes, the more air, it gives it more propulsion. So the larger balloons would be more effective, I think. How did you like that, Abby? Good, I'm glad. All right, we got all the whole family in here. All right, well, you guys did a wonderful job, and I'm telling you, I was videoing you the whole time, so well done. Did you guys have any questions for me? Woo! Good job. Another successful fun, isn't it? Now, Ian, what I think you should do. Now, that's great. Now, Ian, what I